Hey guys, DP here, and I am at LA Japan Eats Festival here in downtown LA, Little Tokyo. It's pretty cool. It's only like a 15-minute drive from my house, so I figured, you know, I'd come by, get some food, see some friends. I know there's a couple of cosplayers who are going to be here because when there's Japanese culture festivals, there's going to be some weebs, right? Of course, of course. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of food all over the place. Of course, it's LA Eats Japan, so that's like the primary thing, food and Japanese cuisine. There's also a bunch of bookstores, there's a bunch of merchandise, there's anime everywhere. I see a big Pikachu plushie. There's a bunch of anime statues and figurines, and yeah, so I'll show you guys around. I'll see if I can find some cosplays and some good food to show you guys, and I'll see you guys later.
Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
People always say they want a cosplay girlfriend, but this is what you have to do.
So explain to us what a cosplay boyfriend is.
In nicer terms, he is my winch, and he puts me in the costume.
I don't do anything.
And he protects me, and he is my dance mom as well when I got hair in the face. My name is Cosmos, aka Ziggy.
Oh, Ziggy, cool.
Yeah.
Check her out. You probably saw her boyfriend doing the cosplay boyfriend thing. So tell me about yourself. How long have you been cosplaying, and how long did it take you to make all this?
Oh boy, I've been cosplaying since I was like 15, which is a indiscriminate amount of years ago. I'm not gonna date myself. I mean, I already am cosplaying Cosmos, which is a 90s game. So
it is a 90s game. PS2 or 3? 2. Yeah, so it's been a while. Yeah.
3 came out.
I know. Sadness, sadness. How long did it take you to make this?
I would say I probably worked on it for about a year. Not like solid, but you know how cosplayers be. We be procrastinating. You know, we don't do it all in one go. So probably about a year on and off. It took me to make.
Cool. It looks really good. I can see
you.
the foam up here. And what is this made out of?
It's
also foam. I didn't touch this yet. I was looking at it. I'm like, huh.
I'm not strong. It needs to be lightweight.
Yeah, I like because the glossy finish kind of gives it like almost like a plasticky
feel.
Like
a little glow, you know.
Yeah, very cool.
But she knew what she got to do.
Are you from LA?
I am.
Oh, okay.
I'm local.
Cool. What part of LA are you from?
Culver.
Culver.
Yes.
Ah, Culver City. So, have you been to Japan Eats before? Have you been to these kind of festivals? No,
I haven't. This is my first time.
Oh, okay, sweet. Actually, I don't know if this is first year, so you know.
I don't know either. But like, if it is, we got on ground zero.
Have you tried any of the food out here yet?
Not yet. I literally got here and walked over here, so I'm very hungry. I'm hoping this starts soon, so I can go eat.
It's gonna start in a couple more minutes. So, but was it Ziggy?
Ziggy, yes.
Ziggy, thank you so much for talking to me, and wish you luck on the contest.
Thank you.
Awesome. Hey guys, so the cosplay contest is about to start, and I was lucky enough to talk to Diana Cruz here. Hello.
Hi.
What are you dressed up as today?
I'm playing me from Hero of the Strong.
Ooh, very cool. Where are you from originally? Are you from Los Angeles?
No, I'm born in El Salvador. I'm Salvadorian, but I have living here for more than 6 years and do cosplay and LA from like 2016.
Oh, so you've been cosplaying for about 5 years?
Yes.
So you started when
I started when I was in El Salvador about 8 years ago, but then start again here by 2016.
Oh, okay. Welcome to Los Angeles. Do you like it here?
Yeah, that's cool. I can get fabric near here to the fabric district. It's very good.
What other cosplay characters have you done?
I've done Mikasa from Shingeki no Kyojin, Attack on Titan. I do Hildegard from Soul Calibur 4. One of my favorites is Sakura Card from Sakura Captor.
Thank you for talking to me. Good luck.
Thank you.
You know, you guys, cosplay is not easy. This morning, I put this, on Nezuko, right? Do you know how many minutes it took? Actually, it was 3 hours. I know. They have practice, that's why they spend that much time, and the ideas, and then we're sweating actually, okay? So please support them, and also judges. Are you ready to pick up 15 people? Yes?
Well, first of all, you guys, everyone that participated, just even beyond the 15 right here, you guys did amazing. But especially these 15 right here, you guys, it's so hard to pick 3 from, it's just unfair. And like everyone said right here, everyone's costume and effort, I can see it on stage. And thank you guys so much for coming out and dressing up. So you guys did amazing. So we'll go from there.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
All right, are you guys ready for the winners?
Woo! Okay.
All right.
Third place is
Professor Oak.
Oh my goodness!
Second place is Doll from Black Butler. Caitlin.
Congratulations! The first prize is $1,000.
Okay, here we go. First place is Gundam! Andrew Idea! Gundam! You won $1,000!
Please, judges, I want to hear your voices too.
Nah, I mean, what else is there to say? You guys all like.
Hi guys, so the cosplay contest just finished, and I saw an adorable Froppy Renaissance Fair cosplayer. So hi, this is Rebecca. So you're Froppy.
Yes.
What do you call this version of your Froppy?
Well, in truth, it was supposed to be a barmaid, but
A barmaid.
she's kind of a high schooler, so I just went with Renaissance Froppy.
You look great, by the way.
Thank you.
And so I was up there recording everyone coming on stage and stuff, and you did her like English dub voice, and I loved it.
Thank you.
And I just wanted you to say a couple of things in front of the camera in your best Froppy voice. Go ahead.
You can call me Sue. Hi.
That was awesome. Have you tried any of the food yet?
Not yet, but I will, for sure.
Cool. And is there any food that you're looking forward to try?
I'll try everything.
There you go. I love it. She's very adventurous. Thank you so much for talking to me, and hope you have fun for the rest of the event.
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Let me hang it. All right. Guess who's on her lunch break?
I'm actually on my snack break. Lunch break is 30 minutes.
Oh, well, guess who's on her snack break? It's Lucky. She's actually working the event here.
I am.
So, I like how I'm able to get this perspective. How is it working at the event? Is it busy? Is a lot of cool people?
It's actually really busy. Usually we can't bring. I know when it's busy is when we start bringing in like 100 every other person. So it's pretty busy. A lot of people are in line. It's also really hot. We're in the sun.
Yes, it is very, very hot.
I did nothing, and it's still too hot for me. But yeah, so it's really cool though. I like this event. Little Tokyo, so there's a lot of good stuff here.
Yeah, so she works at a ramen place in LA, and so like her restaurant is here, and what else do you sell besides ramen here?
We sell ramen buns.
Ramen
Get some buns, guys.
Buns.
Get my ramen buns.
Okay,
Yeah,
well, yeah.
good.
So we're gonna cut this interview short because I don't want to take too much time from her lunch
No,
her snack break.
Let me go get some.
But I am going to keep her company until she has to go back to work. Okay.
Bye.
Powerful karate demonstration you are going to watch.
37.
So, always swipe left, right. Bring your left foot here.
Alright guys, so I am done with the event. The event is still going on. There's about 4 hours left, but I shot most of the stuff I want to shoot. I want to shoot all the cosplays. I showed you all, or at least most of the food vendors. I still have a bunch of stuff to edit, so I'm gonna head home. Like I said, I live like 15 minutes from here, so it's not too bad. I'll head out, edit some video, then I'll come back, pick Lucky up because she's still here for work. And yeah, but thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.